I told you that you could make thousands on YouTube without ever showing your face? Sounds impossible, right? Well, that's exactly what Matt Parr has done. He built multiple faceless YouTube channels that pay him every single month. And today, I'll reveal how his system actually works. The big idea. Matt's secret isn't luck, it's automation. Instead of being the star of the videos, he focuses on systems. He creates content using stock footage, voiceovers, and templates. That means he doesn't rely on his personality. He relies on a process. And here's the kicker. He runs multiple channels at the same time. If one underperforms, another one takes off. That's how he spreads his risk and scales faster than most creators. Execution power. But here's what makes his strategy powerful. Outsourcing. Matt hires scriptwriters, voiceover artists, and editors to do most of the work. His job is simple. Pick niches, plan the content, and make sure the system runs smoothly. This frees up his time to manage more channels and create more revenue streams. Think of it like owning a factory. He designs the system once, and then it produces income on repeat. Why it works. Why does this work so well? Because YouTube doesn't care if you show your face, it cares if people watch your videos. And Matt knows the formula. Catchy titles, bold thumbnails, and videos that hook viewers in the first 10 seconds. Once people click, YouTube does the rest, recommending his videos to millions. That's why faceless channels are it's content without limits. So, Matt Parr's fortune comes from one idea. Don't be the star, build the system. With automation, outsourcing, and smart niche choices, he's turned faceless content into a money machine. Now let me ask you, if you could start a YouTube channel without showing your face, what niche would you pick? Drop your answer in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to US Dream Build for more strategies to build your online income.